Hello everyone. Today I'm going to cover the introduction part of QGIS, like making you get comfortable as a first-time user of QGIS while using the software. Now we wait for our software to load and open. Okay, our software has opened. Now you realize that my real panel, I will close it. Now after it has opened, you will notice that these are the projects, like all my projects that worked with I have worked with in QGIS. Now I want to create a new project. So I will just click a new project. If that's not what I want, I'll just click the project I want to be loaded in my QGIS. Now let me click the project number one. If I click it, the project will be loaded automatically. You see, now this was my project whereby I had I had loaded some rastered vector data in my QGIS. Now this is how your data will look like when you load it in QGIS. Okay, for that I don't want this project. So what will I do to open another project? I can simply click new project and a new project will be opened, or I can click project and new project. You see, it is blinking, meaning that a new project is being opened. Or I can just press Control and N on my keyboard. You see, I press N, Control and N. You see, blinks, meaning it is opening a new project. Now this is the React panel. Okay, now this we call this the map canvas. Where my cursor is, this is the map canvas. In case like anytime somebody tells you about the map canvas, you just know it's this whitish part. Then this is the project. This deals with everything it deals with everything about your project. Now we have to then we have now the others will cover them time as time goes by. Now this is open project. This project here is a shortcut for saving your project. You see, I've not saved my project. Okay. Before that, let me cancel this. Okay, you see. Well, if I haven't saved my project, this here is untitled project QGIS. But once I save it will appear as the name I have saved project with. So I'm going to project save as, then I'll come here to desktop. I'll save it. I'll save it. Okay. Then select a folder first. Okay, let me save this to adjoining sheets. Then I select this folder as, let me save it as practice one. Practice practice one. Then I'm going to save. You see, now my project has been saved as practice one here. Now let's now load some data and see how different kind of data is loaded in QGIS. First, you need to understand that we have in geography we have vector and raster data. So let me search data types in geography. Geography. Just click on enter. Okay, you see the data types in geography. We have how many data types? Okay, we have geographic types primarily filled into two main modes: vector, which stands for points, lines, polygons for discrete features like cities, roads, areas, and raster into bracket pixel grids for continuous data like elevation, image, and temperature. Build these spatial models that can be classified as spatial data, locational, and attribute data characteristics. So this is just some noise. But the main part is here. This is our main part here. You see, vector and raster data. Now, the two types of data you realize previous, road and QGIS. Okay. Okay. Now let's load our data. How to load the data? You just click on layer, add vector layer. Then vector layer we will add a Kenya map. A Kenya map. So I think it's local disk C, new folder. Let me just navigate to where I save. Okay, Kenya count shape file. Okay, add. Okay, now you realize I have selected the one with the shape file. I will explain that in another video. Okay, now you'll see our map has been added in our map canvas. Okay, now you can, if you don't see the layers panel, you can just right click on the empty part, then you click on layers panel. Now this is our map. Okay, now that's it. That's how we add. That's how we add vector data. Now to add raster data, you just click on raster, or you just come here to layer, add raster layer. Then okay, for raster layer, I'm going to add a map. Okay, you see I have some images here of like Ethiopia University, but I won't use them. I'm going to add some topographical map. So I just, where have I saved them? Okay, okay, I've remembered where I've saved them. So maps, oh my goodness, map. Then I'm going to add a map of Bungoma, and I'll open and add. You see, now I have a map of Bungoma which overlaps with the Kenya County shapefile. Okay, now that's how we simply add data in QGIS. Okay, after we have added the data, now let's use some basic tools here. Okay, then if you like click, there is some option here. You have zoom to layers. Automatically it zooms your data into the map canvas. It zooms the full extent of the data into the map canvas where you can easily visualize it. So let's zoom to layers. Then if you don't, maybe you don't want this layer, you just come here to remove layer. Okay, remove layers, yeah, and groups, yeah. I'll say okay, and automatically my map has been removed from my QGIS. Now I'm going to re-add the map again. Okay, you see it's already selected, so I'm going just to add the map again, and I click like add, and automatically my map will be added. Now okay, the basic tools, the main tools are the hard pan. The hard pan helps you to move the map. You see, you left click and move the map wherever you want. Maybe you want to use this part here, you just bring the map using the pan, the hard pan. The next tool is the zoom in tool. So what is zoom in? Okay, zoom in tool means to like to magnify a point on the map. You see, after I magnify, I'm magnifying this corner here. I'm magnifying this point on the map for easier visualization. Then there is this tool called zoom out. Zoom out, it's just simply minimizing. Okay, you zoom out the map. Okay, like that. Then kuna zoom to full. Una zoom to full works with the same principle as zoom to layers. Yeah, and that's how we load our vector and raster data in QGIS. Thanks for watching.